Hello kids, let's learn some colors. Yellow color, red color, brown color, blue color, green color, orange color, black color. Okay, let's start. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, and Z.